Welcome to a quick comparison of Grafana and Apache Superset, two powerful open source tools for data visualization. Let's dive into what each one offers and see which one suits your needs. Grafana is a go-to platform for real-time monitoring and observability. It excels at visualizing time series data like system CPU or app performance with dynamic dashboards and robust alerting. Grafana integrates seamlessly with databases like Prometheus, InfluxDB, and cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. Its massive plugin ecosystem and user-friendly interface make it ideal for DevOps and IT teams needing real-time insights. Apache Superset, developed by Airbnb, is a business intelligence tool focused on data exploration and visualization. It offers an SQL IDE for crafting complex queries and supports a wide range of visualizations from pie charts to geospatial maps. Superset connects to SQL databases like PostgreSQL and Snowflake, making it perfect for analysts and data scientists diving into ad hoc analysis and reporting. So, how do they stack up? Grafana shines for real-time monitoring with strong alerting and time series data support, ideal for IT operations. Superset is better for business intelligence, offering rich visualizations and SQL-driven exploration for complex datasets. Grafana's community is larger, but Superset's no-code interface is great for non-technical users. Choose Grafana for system monitoring and Superset for deep data analysis. Ultimately, your choice depends on your use case. Need real-time system insights? Go for Grafana. Want flexible buy and reporting? Pick Superset. Try them out and see which one fits your team best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.